Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your project and locating the device selector in the toolbar. Once done, plug in your phone with USB debugging enabled or open AVD Manager to prepare an emulator. Make sure Android Studio recognizes the device. Look for the device name in the drop-down. If nothing appears, toggle the connection, check drivers, and confirm a DB lists the device. This gets you straight to choosing a target. Don't linger on empty menus. Next, you pick the right target, a physical device for accurate sensors or an AVD for repeatable environments. If you need a new emulator, click Create Virtual Device, select Profile and Android API level, then download the system image. Make sure to set RAM, storage, and graphics acceleration to match your development goals, otherwise the emulator can be slow or incompatible. Once configured, start the emulator, so Android Studio. Finally, select your chosen device and press Run to build and deploy the APK. You'll see Gradle tasks, then installation progress. Monitor Logcat for runtime messages and permission prompts. If the app doesn't appear, ensure the device is unlocked and the correct user is selected. Make sure to test critical flows, then stop the app cleanly. If issues persist, restart a DB or cold boot the emulator. Those steps often resolve stubborn connection or installation errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.